This is Mike with Ripper Die Trading, and we are day trading live this morning. Got a little bit of movers today. Let's get in on this blood. Hopefully, we can get back down there and make some new lows. Uh-oh, trouble. It's trying to scare me a bit. There we go. I knew it was going to get me in quicker than I wanted to be in, but what the fuck? I tried to sell at 40 there and got hit at 26. Oh well. Alright, we're short on AMD. It's been a long time since I traded it. It's probably going to kick my ass. Let's move it over here so we can enjoy a bigger view of the ass whooping if it gives it to me. Let's break through 31 real quick and take a shit fist. There we go. There's some blood. When I used to trade AMD, I would take this 13-15 cents every freaking time, so I probably need to think about putting in a stop here. As it can bounce quick, and it just did. There it goes. Should you? Let's bring this back over. Looking for some real quick blood here. Not getting it. 5-minute breakdown here. Looking for a real strong candle down here. Looking a little weak at the moment. Trying to fight if we can get through here. Be nice if we go see. Oh, holy crap! I don't want to see that. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Take it there. All right. I couldn't help myself going ahead and taking that drop there. So, yep, I'm going to call it quits. All right, so pretty good day. 3 green trades, and I think that's 8 or 9 greens in a row. So if I don't do anything stupid tomorrow, like I said, we'll look at trading higher shares starting next week. So I'm gonna go and look at some of my options and then get ready to go to work. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. You know the deal. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. And we will see you tomorrow morning.